Green Industry Hall of Fame to honor and preserve the contributions of those exceptional individuals who have served the green industry, with support from
Water-Right Design since 1979. Licensed and fully insured. www.waterright.design.
DARYL Green entered the green industry at the age of 16 while taking horticultural classes in high school. He continued with 3 more years at Orange Coast College here in Orange County. While at Orange Coast College, he started up a landscape maintenance business, mowing 50 lawns a week during the day and taking classes in the afternoon and night. He continued his education at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, the other Cal Poly, focusing on the landscape construction trade. Green Product Sales was founded in 2005 as a product representation and technical resource company that focuses on water-related products designed for all aspects of the irrigation trade.